Hello, today we'll be making root veg latkes. So, you're going to need a variety of root veg. I'll be using parsnips, sweet potatoes, and rutabagas. I'll also be adding in some onions, an egg, and some flour and some other seasonings. So we're gonna start by peeling all of our root veg. You can use any root veg for these latkes. I'm gonna be using mostly our rutabaga because I got these from our Nogtuk mobile food pantry. So our Nogtuk mobile food pantry is the second Thursday of every month from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. at the Nogtuk Event Center. You can find out more about the Nogtuk Mobile Food Pantry on our sister Facebook page. It's Nogtuk Monthly Mobile Food Pantry. So you want to make sure you peel all the vegetables because we'll be grating them in our next step. So next we'll be grating. Be careful when using the grater, it's very sharp. Hold your vegetables in a downward position and start grating. Make sure you take your time and watch your fingers. You're going to want to clear off your cutting board in between because there's going to be a lot of grated root veg. You can put all that into the same bowl because it's going to be mixed together in our next step after everything has been grated. Make sure you clean as you go. It'll be a lot easier in the end. You're going to be grating the rutabaga next. It might be a little bit hard since it's such a big vegetable. So you really want to take your time and be careful with this. If it gets too hard, what you can do is you can cut it into smaller pieces and grate those individually. Now that you have all the vegetables grated in a bowl, you're gonna crack your egg and start mixing it all together. This is one of the fun parts because you get to use your hands. Make sure it's all good and mixed together so all the vegetables are combined. Once all the vegetables are combined, we're going to start adding our seasonings. I'm going to use some garlic powder, some salt, and some white pepper. You can use whatever you'd like to season it with. Remember that you want to start with less and you can always add more later. We're also going to add some flour. I started with 1/3 of a cup because once again, you could always add more. Use your hands and make sure everything gets mixed together nicely. This might get a little messy. When you think it's ready, you can start to try to form a patty or a ball. If it doesn't hold well together, you might need to add more flour or egg that's used as a binder to hold it together. So mine was still pretty wet, so I needed to add more flour. So after I add more flour, I'm going to try to make another patty for the latke, and it held together a lot better. So now I'm going to wash my hands and get some oil and a pan set up so that we can start frying our latkes. You want to get your oil on a pan on medium heat. You can use any kind of oil that you have. I use olive oil, but you can use canola or avocado, whatever you have available. Once your oil has heated, you want to start forming your latkes. You want the latkes to be uniform all the way through. If the middle is thicker than the outside will cook faster, and then the inside won't be cooked enough. Once you see the edges of the latke starting to brown, that's when you know it's time to flip. Be careful when flipping because the oil is going to be very hot and you don't want it to splatter. You want to cook the latkes on both sides for a few minutes depending on how hot your oil is and how thick it is too. If you're making bigger latkes, you want to cook them longer so that they cook all the way through. When your latkes are done, make sure you drain them on a paper towel. This will take off any excess oil. It's always good to make one before you make the rest because if you don't like the flavor of it, you can always go back and add more. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you comment below. Enjoy, stay safe, and have fun. Bye.